Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Danica Ramos Cacha. You can call me Nika for short. I am 36 years old, not married, blessed 2 kids, age 18 and 15 years old. My height is 150 centimeter. My weight is 52 kilograms. I am high school graduate. I have experience in Saudi Arabia for 8 years. I can take baby, pets, clean, ironing, cooking Filipino dishes, but I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. To my future employer, please hire me as a helper, and I promise I'm willing to learn. I give you my loyalty and trust working. Currently, I am still in Saudi Arabia, but this coming April, I will go back to the Philippines. Have a nice day, sir.